In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid instant payouts on Stripe. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to connect the right bank account, and how to control how often your money gets sent to you. First, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is the central place where you see an overview of your payments, balances, and recent activity. You'll want to be logged into the correct account for your business before you continue, because all the settings we're about to adjust are specific to that account. Next, look to the top right-hand corner of the dashboard for a small gear icon. This is the settings area in Stripe. Go ahead and click on that. Anytime you need to change something important about your business, payouts, or bank accounts, this is where you'll come. Once the settings panel opens, find the section labeled Business. This is where Stripe stores all the information related to your company, including your bank accounts and supported currencies. Click on Business to open that area. Inside the business settings, look for a tab called Bank Accounts and Currencies. Select this tab. Here, Stripe shows you which bank accounts are currently linked to your profile and which currencies you can receive payouts in. If you want instant payouts for a specific currency, you need to have a bank account added that matches that currency. Now find the option that says Add a bank account to pay out this currency. Click on that. Stripe will open a form where you can enter your bank details. This is a crucial step. The account you add must be associated with the currency you're trying to receive. For example, use a USD bank account to receive USD payouts. Mixing currencies here can cause delays, extra fees, or even failed payouts. Carefully type in your bank account information, double-checking your account number and routing or sort code before moving on. When you're confident everything is correct, click on the button that says Add your bank account. Stripe may take a moment to verify the account, and in some regions they might make a small test deposit. After your bank account is added, you can choose how often you want Stripe to send payouts. Look for the drop-down that currently shows daily. Click on it and you'll see options to receive your payouts daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the schedule that best matches your cash flow needs. Daily payouts are great for fast access to funds, while weekly or monthly can simplify your bookkeeping. Once you've selected your preference, your payout settings are ready and you're set up to receive your Stripe funds on your terms.